Hello guys, welcome to Bollywood Bug. We have seen many Bollywood celebrities going to jail. Today we are going to talk about some of them. Shah Rukh Khan. This incident might come as a surprise, but it is true. Shah Rukh Khan himself confirmed the news in an interview. He said that there was a journalist who wrote some nasty rumors about him. Since the rumors were not true at all, he got angry and got into a fight with the journalist. Then suddenly a group of police came and arrested him. As per his words, it was a small little prison with human faces. Salman Khan. Superstar Salman Khan had been arrested multiple times at a young age and went to jail. In 2002, he got arrested for negligent driving. His car hit a local bakery, killing one person. In 2007, he again got arrested and went to Jodhpur jail for killing a black buck. This incident created a lot of controversies in the industry. While his fans supported him, many people criticized his actions. Akshay Kumar. This one is partly hilarious, as Akshay Kumar laughs about it each time he recalls the incident. Akshay Kumar was walking in a fashion show. While the show was still on, he requested his wife to unzip his jeans. Soon a case was filed against the actor for indulging in indecency at a public place. He spent some time inside a prison and later got released on bail. Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay Dutt never has shied away from his dark lifestyle. He went to jail after being convicted for keeping illegal arms at the time of Mumbai bombings in 1993. He spent 6 years in jail. According to him, being imprisoned for so long has transformed him into a better person. Rhea Chakraborty. Imprisonment of Rhea Chakraborty has been the top news for a long time. The actress got arrested after her boyfriend actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his flat in 2020. She got arrested on the basis of money laundering and drug abuse. NCB started investigating the suicide case to check if there were any drugs involved. During the investigation, her name surfaced and she got arrested. It was evident that she procured drugs for her boyfriend via her brother Shoaib. She spent 28 days in jail. Saif Ali Khan. Actor Saif Ali Khan got arrested for punching a businessman at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. The case stirred up quite a drama in the B-town. According to reports, he was having dinner with his then girlfriend Kareena Kapoor and some other friends. The feud started when he heard foul language being used against the ladies by some of the hotel staff. He got furious and started a fight, injuring 3 members of the hotel. He got arrested and later was released on bail. John Abraham. Back in 2006, actor John Abraham got arrested for rash driving. He was rash driving and his bike skidded, hurting 2 other people along with him. He took both of them to the hospital, who were treated and discharged. At first, he was sentenced to 15 days of imprisonment, but then he got released immediately on bail.